started a little fire. We had a little lunch. Look at Cass left us. What the heck are you doing? We're ready to go for a rip. I don't have a truck, so we have Old Faithful here. Does this truck have a name? It looks like a Ralph or something.
It identifies as unknown. It's a black box, spray painted white. But the original color is blue.
It's blue. Really? Oh, wow. Professional paint job.
Totally professional.
Yeah. Basically, there is a lot of snow in the bush, so we can't go exactly where I want it to go. I heard that we should be able to manage. What the heck are you doing?
I'm getting ready for a party.
What kind of party?
Erin's turning old. Her birthday.
So you're doing a birthday party and you're dressed up like a bunch of old ladies.
Yeah. Wait, I have my walker. It's under there. I'm gonna bring it. We're going bowling.
Okay.
Did you pack your lunch?
Yes, Mom.
She's even working on the back problems. I can't handle this.
The glasses do it in.
What the heck's going on, Diesel?
Actually, these are my glasses.
Yeah, the military actually issues those.
Yeah, these are the free ones you get if it's too cheap to buy them.
Okay. I'm gonna get on the road now.
I forgot your ice packs too.
Oh my God. What? I don't need ice packs. Keep the ice packs.
There's meat in your
Give
lunch.
me
You need
the.
to keep it cold.
I don't need ice packs. There's no
Promise
room.
Your gut's gonna thank you.
Listen, G-Ma, give me the water.
The Restorelax ready then.
Okay, thanks. Grandma's taking care of us.
Nice. I love it.
Oh, dude, show them your phone charging.
Oh, yes.
Is it get...
Charge me real good, Daddy.
It doesn't like it when you unplug it, though.
Don't do me dirty like that.
I really hope that comes through, man. I really do. Nice hairdo. Oh, I'm an influencer. We made it. This old pig, 500,000 kilometers. She made it. She's in good shape. Not very great on fuel, but did the job you promised. So I appreciate it because I don't have a truck right now. And we got the machines locked and loaded. We did hear a bunch of people out there. They were like rev bombing and stuck in snow. A friend of mine was out here, I don't know, about 11, 12 days ago, and he didn't even make it down this road, and I do see a lot of snow down there, so hopefully we make it too, but it sounds like the other guys that are here, they're stuck in there, so if we get past that, we should be good. I've seen a lot of guys playing around once you're past that, so I don't know where they came in, but... So I'm gonna put this away, we're gonna get the GoPro set up, and get you out there.
Oh boy, okay.
Holy jeez, is he gonna make that? Wow, it's crazy in there. Alright, let's go. Oh no. I saw that lip and there was no way he was making that. Whoa! Hey, it's deep! I knew I was gonna get stuck, but I went for it anyways. What is that, like 3.5, maybe 4 feet of snow? It's all windrows from the fields. We obviously can't go on private property over here, so we might have to find a way to go around. I don't see any tracks out this way. We'll have to turn around and figure out another way in, because there's just more and more and more of them down there. But we're gonna try some ramps, get them out of here. Should be it.
Alright.
As good as it. That tire's not spinning.
It's fiscal lock.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
That doesn't sound normal.
No, that's
My
not.
fiscal lock might be a little
Yeah,
screwed.
yeah. But if I come in here to winch you out, it's just going to be asking for more trouble, and we'll be here all day.
just keep digging that.
This is looking a lot like another video I saw recently. Well, we're gonna try and go forward a little bit and fill in the holes that are here and then see if we can pin it backwards. Oh, yeah, hell yeah.
All right, we ready?
I don't know. Give her. Okay. That's problem number one. You think you can spin it around?
I'll try.
You do that, it'll be a lot.
Austin Powers maneuver.
Yeah, for sure. Luckily, there's editing for that. Ooh, nice. Nice. Yeah, he's gonna get stuck. Okay. I think he's good. All right. Well, I guess I have to walk with all of this. This way is just not gonna happen. The other ATVers we saw, they went into that private field over there. We don't do that kind of stuff. People pay good money to own land, and I don't like that. So we're not going to pull a move like that. We're going to go down the grid road and try another way in, and we should be able to get to the trails. Once we get to the trails and away from fields, all of this snow is just blowing in. So we're going to get down there, and I suspect we'll be fine once we get on the trails. So that's what we're going to do. That's so you guys are, that's two stucks for him so far, and they're about, oh geez, 20 meters apart. I didn't come here to sweat. Just saying.
Neither did I.
I thought that's the whole side-by-side life. It's just, a breeze. Give her the beat. Oh yeah. I feel like I did that cooler than him. Turbo stuff. Okay, so we ended up taking a stop, but we've got some company. We ran into Birch and his buddy and his other half, and they're gonna show us where to go, because that way, that's no good. We're gonna go down the road, find somewhere to get into Nisbet, and we should be good. We're gonna get some miles on there now. It's just grid from here, so. Found him. You gotta get a picture of your buddy stuck. It's a rule. I don't know if you guys know Birch, but that guy right there, he has the blue Renegade in all the Ostacruiser videos. He just recently rebuilt that brand new Maverick there. It was a totaled vehicle and he rebuilt it all. So far it's been a bunch of stucks. We haven't gotten a whole lot of mileage in.
The
But
most mileage is on a gravel road.
it's nice. I like this area because you always run into people you know.
Yeah, that's cool.
of it, never been here. Very nice of Kyle to take me this way, even though he's been down this way a lot of times. Still frost in the ground here. I'm not snorkel, we'll see how deep it is. Oh yeah, that's no problem.
What are you guys doing? We made her.
Oh, hi friend.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, we're here.
They chopped down a bunch of trees.
We're making fire. We should have brought some weenies or something.
They chopped down a bunch of trees for some reason. Someone chopped all that down. All right.
They even left axes here. I was just saying, you probably couldn't hear me over the side-by-side. We should have brought some freaking weenies.
Well, that's what I was gonna do, but The lunch bag's only so big, and I just screw it. You ever seen that
I
cabin?
know we packed some big wieners, so they couldn't fit.
Yeah. What do you think of that? Have you seen this before?
Only in a video, not in person.
Right. So like that's what I mean. Like everyone knows this cabin. It's kind of like a staple. Everyone stops, you know, has their apple juice, has a hot dog or whatever. And
this is this used for sledding in the wintertime?
oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Some of these are trappers' cabins, and some of them were warm-up shacks back in the day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they just, you know, clubs fall apart or whatever, or you know, hunters or.
So is this one? What's this one?
I'm not sure exactly. I couldn't tell you. I'd be making it up, but. It's one of the two, I suspect. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So the government gets a trapper, you know, he comes out, gets his beaver quota, whatever, but I'm guessing they just haven't filled the quota, or the current trapper didn't want the cabin, or I don't know. Could be a lot of things. Someone in the comments will know. I gotta be quick, the battery's dying, but I was wondering what was going on. So there was a bunch of trees that were cut down here, which is okay, whatever. And you know, people have been stacking up wood. I think someone's, or a group of people, has been trying to fix up this cabin. The last time I was here, it was all falling apart. The door was wide open, floor was all sagging, but it looks like somebody's fixing it up. And whoever you are, I appreciate you. Thank you. So, you know, someone's been making seats, and the fireplace is all set up. There's, you know, some wood getting dried out. You know, it looks like there's some supplies. So I don't know who you are putting it together, but that's awesome.
Good job.
Yeah, so, okay, yeah. Lobstick Cabin, Treaty 6 territory. But, you know, someone's got some oiled up pans and stuff here.
Those are some nice cast irons too. Like
Literally last time I was here, like none of this was here. This all looked like crap. Like the door was wide open and things were falling apart, but somebody actually put a nice decal on the window.
Yeah.
The people have spoken. They want to keep this, which is good. Look at this. He's freaking everywhere, man. Oh. He's everywhere, man. I should get a Mainville sticker and slap it on here.
No doubt.
Well, we checked out the cabin, started a little fire. Have a fantastic day, fellas.
Awesome,
if it wasn't for her, I'd be smashing a bag of Doritos, maybe. We're all sorted out. I think we're just going to enjoy the fire and then do some little ripping. Whoever fixed up the cabin, I really got to say, very nice. Good to see. It's a nice cabin.